Some 3D artists make $3,000 per month, while others make over $150,000 per year. In this video, I'm going to show you the real salaries of 3D artists around the world. Hi, I'm Mehran from PolyBoost. In this channel, we talk about Unreal Engine, Blender, and so many programs for 3D creation. Today, we are going to break down how much money 3D artists actually make. Alright, here I went to Glassdoor website for reference and opened several suitable job positions related to environment design so we can review them together. The first job position is an environment artist for CD Projekt for the Cyberpunk 2 project, which everyone knows is a very big company. The salary for someone who gets this job is between $65,000 and $109,000 per year, which means about $5,000 to $9,000 per month, and this is really amazing. The skills required include software such as Blender, Maya, Unreal, ZBrush, so you can design environments. On our channel, we have created many tutorials related to this genre, so you can learn and reach job opportunities like this. Now, the same company has another job position for a senior environment artist, where the salary starts from $89,000. Let's see what the difference in between these two job positions. In the detailed description, as you can see, you need about 6 years of experience, strong mastery of Unreal, and you also need to be skilled in the software such as Blender and Substance Designer. So friend, don't waste your time. Learn, practice, and gain experience so you can reach this level of income. You can also work smaller companies to gain experience. In this position, the company is looking for a remote environment designer and pays $4 per hour. It's not a large amount, but it is a good example for gaining experience. You might think that the income from remote work at home is low, but I have to tell you that you are seriously mistaken. As you can see, PlayStation is looking for a senior lighting artist and is offering a salary between $102,000 and $125,000 for a remote job. There is also a job position available for a lead VFX artist like this. We have also made several videos in the VFX genre using Niagara and Emergent, and you can see learning from there. But there is another way many 3D artists make money, and that is freelancing. For example, on a website like Fiverr, you can create an account and upload your portfolio so the clients can choose you for freelance work. A beginner freelancer might earn around $100 to $500 per month, but experienced 3D artists can earn $3,000 to $8,000 per month or more, depending on their skills and clients. On websites like Cgtrader, you can review requests and, for example, model this jewelry and earn $70. Or you can create this motorcycle and earn $120. There are also other ways to earn income, such as a website like Cgtrader, 3dscar, or a site like ArtStation, where you can sell your own products and make money. In this method, you upload your products to the website, and after they are sold, The website take a percentage and pay the rest to you. If I wanted to have an average in the end, a junior person earn about 60k per year. A mid person earn about 80k per year. A senior earn about 130k per year. Freelancer in an optimistic case earn about 70k per year. Regarding asset sellers, the income varies each month and it is not possible to state a fixed amount. But there are people who have reached 100k per year. Alright friends, this tutorial has also come to an end. I hope it has helped you. Please support our channel and watch the videos so our channel can grow better.